Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start short story to improve your English. Story name is The Lost Purse. Mrs. Rahim lost her purse on the way when she was going to market. She got much worried as she had to buy food for dinner some. She looked everywhere but did not find it. Kashif was on his way to the market when he found a purse lying on the road. It was full of money. Kashif put it in his pocket and continued walking. He decided to ask Mr. Asif, the shopkeeper, if anyone had lost a purse. He went to Mr. Asif's shop where he met with worried Mrs. Rahim. Mr. Asif, did anyone lose a purse? Asked Kashif. Are you talking about brown and blue purse? Mrs. Rahim hurried to Kashif. Yes, is this purse yours? Kashif showed her the purse. Yes, of course, this is the purse I have lost, said Mrs. Rahim, taking the purse. Mrs. Rahim was so happy that she had her purse back. You are a honest and a very good boy, said Mrs. Rahim. Here is 50 rupees for your honesty. Go and buy some candy, said Mrs. Rahim. Kashif was very happy that he had done an honest deed and also got a reward of it. Morale: it is good to be honest and it is very bad to keep something which is not yours, and it will also make Allah angry. You can ask questions from your children. What did Mrs. Rahim lose? Who found the purse? And why was Kashif happy? Goodbye till next story.